So the kind people at Ison Distribution have sent me out an MRP ribbon air fork, and Sam has come over and he's going to help me fit it. Well, you're going to fit it, because I'm lazy. Oh. Oh yeah.
Look at that beauty.
170mm. Free ride, baby. So yeah, this is the ribbon 27.5 with 170mm of travel, and Alex was kind enough to verify it for us. Thank you, Alex, at MRP. Yeah, Samo's got the pro stand. Gonna get a load of people telling you off for not putting some sort of rag on the dropper post.
It's fine, it's rubberized.
Rubberized. You hear that, people? Rubberized.
Step one, remove wheel. The wheel does it nice and tight. Lovely. And let me take a break off.
Are we done?
Right on. Hey. Here we are. And then we find out it's not the right size.
No.
And then back in action.
Imagine if I genuinely put in every clip of every Allen key turn. It would be...
I reckon
The
the
longest
viewers would leave.
And leave a dislike as they left.
Why are you disabled likes?
That is probably the most common question.
Oh boy, you've got a lot of corrosion in there.
Not corrosion.
That's the UK weather for
Oh
you
my
viewers.
He rusty as hell.
And there she goes.
Oh yeah, that was a good beat.
And there she goes.
Oh yeah, that was a good beat.
Oh. Right, go on. No longer.
See ya! Pizza's ready, boy! Got my little oven gloves.
Oh, lovely.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's so small.
Oh yeah, I know.
You've got two.
For tiny people hands. For 6-year-old children's hands. Is it? No, it's not burnt. Oh my god! This is so hot.
Look at that, viewers. This is the accuracy.
Oh yeah!
That end
We're
to
back in
end.
business, baby! Crown race fitted. Oh! Call yourself a professional mechanic, boy.
Take two.
Oh yeah.
Job done.
Bearing fitted. Oh, lovely sandy, gritty sound.
That's Rogate right there.
Just doing a bit of a test fit before we cut the steerer. I say before we cut the steerer, before you cut the steerer.
Well.
I don't want that sort of stress. Actually, I think that's pretty much perfect length, don't you?
I would say you'd have to have a pretty large head tube to need more than that. You got the line?
Yeah.
Nice clean line.
Nice gritty steerer. Oh yeah. Oh, are those Oh! See ya! One. Two. Three.
That wasn't.
Yeah,
that
boy.
wasn't quite my bowling. Right, that's our line. That's where.
Our cut line.
Well, it's not our cut line at all. And we start cutting. brake.
Hallelujah! Oh my god.
And then Will's gonna.
Clean up on aisle 4. Bloody thing's broken.
Come on, put it in the bin.
See you.
Right, yeah, now we're putting his little star nut in, yeah? So he can tighten up his top cap.
There she is.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Will's bearings are fine. So we're just going to shove them straight back in. With some extra grease.
More?
You can never have too much grease.
Oh. That's the most productive thing I've done all day. Madam? Oh yeah.
Love it. And lots of grease in Will's star nuts so we don't.
What the? What?
What?
What the hell is this?
I don't know, what are you talking about?
It's pretty good. Strawberry flavoured.
Perfect.
We're almost done.
Yeah. We take Will's brake and we put it back on.
I just can't wait to dip my teeth into some luscious pizza. Those yellow decals look so fresh. They match so well. Oh! With the Halo Vortex wheels and the nice yellow Mettle logo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. But look at that.
Oh, my knees!
Not quite. Beautiful.
Silent. Oh yeah.
Alright.
The final touches.
And then we're good to go again.
And there you have it, folks. MRP ribbon fitted by Sam. Go follow him on Instagram. I'll put it right there.